Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. NEET UG 2026 re-exam to be held under enhanced security measures on 21st June. NTA places question paper setters, moderators and translators under strict isolation at a secure undisclosed location until the examination concludes. Multi-layer security protocols include restricted communication, enhanced monitoring of paper development, transportation and distribution processes, along with round-the-clock surveillance of social media and digital platforms to prevent leaks and misinformation. Parliamentary panel seeks NTA's definition of paper leak, demands records of exam leak cases since 2018. The committee has also sought details on NEET UG irregularities, NTA staffing, recruitment, and action taken on the 101 recommendations of the Radhakrishnan Committee. NTA has been asked to submit written responses by 10th June ahead of the NEET UG 2026 re-examination scheduled for 21st June. CBSE re-evaluation complaints surge, with physics drawing the highest number of grievances. Students reviewing Class 12 answer sheet copies have reported missing marks, uncredited step marking, strict evaluation, and in some cases answer sheet mismatches. CBSE receives IIT security clearance for Class 12 re-evaluation portal. Following a final cybersecurity audit, the board begins re-evaluation of answer scripts through its own secure infrastructure, replacing the earlier OSM-linked system. IIT teams will remain on standby during the process, while examiners conduct independent digital reassessment of student-flagged questions without access to original marks to ensure fairness and reduce bias. Parliamentary panel questions CBSE over award of OSM contract to Coemt EduTech. The committee has sought clarifications on the company's alleged links to Globarina Technologies, changes made across OSM tender conditions, background verification procedures, and modifications to eligibility, scanning, and infrastructure requirements. CBSE has been asked to submit detailed responses and share documents related to the OSM procurement process. CBSE rejects claims of technical glitches in its post-result services portal. The board says more than 1.6 lakh students successfully submitted requests covering over 3.8 lakh answer books between 2nd June and 7th June. CBSE maintains the verification and re-evaluation system functions smoothly under the supervision of government technical agencies and IIT experts. NTA releases UGC NET June 2026 examination schedule. The computer-based test will be conducted from 22nd June to 30th June into daily shifts across more than 80 subjects. Exam city intimation slips will be issued 8 to 10 days before the examination, while admit cards will be released separately on the official UGC NET portal. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.